Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to create cutscenes for your game in Roblox Studio. So I'm sorry, before we get into this, I'm sorry for not posting a lot. I was creating a game which I really got focused on, and I'm still creating on later. But before I created, I thought, why don't I make tutorials a little bit, because I feel like y'all are missing my tutorials. But I am running out of ideas. Comment what tutorial should I do next. But this is cutscene. So first, go in the description and download the plugin Cutscene Edit by Clone Trooper. I think it is 1019. And then we can get into this, and maybe I might post 3 videos today because I never posted for like 2 weeks, I think it was. So yeah, I'm gonna right now maybe next video will be how to add a skip cutscene to your cutscene. Anyways, let's start. First, click on it, and now you want to go to a position you want your first cutscene to start at. So maybe here. Okay, now I'm just gonna leave it like this and done. Yes, and there will be this, and I'll tell you how to get rid of them after. So, because sometimes when you play the game, you'll see these lines. So once you're done, it will show this is you right here. It's gonna be facing you just like this. Okay, next one maybe here. A building, maybe facing over here, how the sky looks. Oh, also guys, let me quickly make something. This is like zooming in and out. This is like rotating your screen. I don't want to mess around with that because last time I did and nothing went out good. This is like how long does it take to transition, just in case you're confused. Now maybe one more, taking a picture of the whole lobby. Yeah, okay. It took me about 2 minutes to place all of them. Now what you want to do is save cutscene. Okay. Now include a script, include skip button with cutscene. This I don't think this works yet. Yeah, that's why I'm making a tutorial. Now, and this is like, what type of script should we give you? This is like going to be like a part where when a player steps on it, the cutscene will play. So if you want like this, you can do it. I'm gonna do this. It's like once the player joins, a cutscene just plays. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and maybe I might include the skip cutscene button, and done. Now you can watch it by preview cutscene or play. I'm gonna click preview. 3, 2, 1, let's watch. Oh, also click play. Maybe it might show the skip cutscene. See, there's the sky. Also guys, comment down below what tutorial should I do next. Okay, and there. Alright, works. Now I'll see if the skip cutscene button works. If it doesn't, guys, it's completely okay. I'll do a video of it next tutorial. Anyways, I'm lagging, so be right back. Okay. I'm loading in. Oh, here's a cutscene. There's me. Yeah, you load in before you still load in, the cutscene will show you. There's no cutscene skip button. I have 2 mouse arrows for some reason. Yep. And there you go. So I'm gonna be soon showing you how to make a skip cutscene button, and if you want these to go away, just click new cutscene and then yes. But before you click new cutscene, just make sure you have saved your other cutscene. So yeah guys, please like, subscribe, and share. for more, and I accidentally deleted my cutscene. Also, I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. Please help me do that by just subscribing and telling your friends to subscribe and telling your mother to subscribe. Tell your father to subscribe. Yeah. So guys, I'll see y'all in the next video, I guess, in maybe 1 more minute. That took long. Well, bye. Maybe my next tutorial will actually be how to do a shift to sprint button. I don't know. I'll think about it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and peace.